Good evening. So next example on ratio test. So third example, the homework ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನೀವು ಬಿಡಿಸಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. So that equal to summation of event. Therefore event is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by 3 raised to n plus 1. So this is nth term. So put n is equal to n plus 1, we get u of n plus 1. 2 raised to n is n plus 1 of it, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. 2 raised to n divided by 3 raised to n plus 1 plus 1. Right? So then 2 raised to n divided by 3 raised to n into 3 plus 1. So by using definition of statement of ratio test, I can apply limit of n tends to infinity un plus 1 divided by un that equal to limit of n tends to infinity. So this 2 raised to n divided by 3 raised to n into 3 plus 1. So whole divided by this reverse ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ into 3 raised to n plus 1 divided by 2 raised to n minus 1. Right? Then that equal to limit of n tends to infinity 2 raised to n divided by 3 raised to n is taking common. So 3 plus 1 by 3 raised to n into 3 raised to n is taking common. So 1 plus 1 divided by 3 raised to n whole divided by 2 raised to n into 2 raised to minus 1. So now cancel 3 raised to n, 3 raised to n get cancelled. So we get 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 raised to n. So into 1 plus 1 by 3 raised to n divided by 2 raised to minus 1 andre idu 1 by 2. Now simplify this, right? So after simplification we get to 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 raised to n divided by 3 plus 1 by 3 raised to n. So as limit as n tends to infinity, so that equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 raised to infinity divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 raised to infinity. So it is 1 plus any number raised to infinity, it is infinity. So I can write it is 1 by infinity. 3 plus 1 divided by any number raised to infinity, it is infinity. So if we simplify this, 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is less than 1. By using ratio test, L is less than 1. So therefore summation of even is convergent. Right? Similarly, how to solve next example. Next example. So 1 by 3 plus 1 into 2 divided by 3 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 3. So divided by 3 into 5 into 7 plus so on. Observe the terms of series. Observe the terms of series. So each term is increases. So first term is only one term, second term is two terms, third term is three terms. Increases. Already how to solve this kind of examples in previous class. So I can write like this. It's a summation of 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into so on up to nth term Tn divided by 3 into 5 into 7 into so on up to. So by using nth term, by using this formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If we simplify, a is equal to 3, common difference d is equal to 2, simplify its nth term is 2n plus 1. Apply this. So therefore un is equal to what happened? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 so on up to it is n divided by 3 into 5 into 7 into 2n plus 1, isn't it? So as un plus 1 its nth term is, so one term apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 so on up to it is n. So continuous term ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಮುಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ into n plus 1 divided by 3 into 5 into 7 so on up to 2n plus 1. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡು ಇಂಟು n ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ n plus 1 2n plus 3 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ರೈಟ್? So this divided by this, apply ratio test. What happened? limit of n tends to infinity un plus 1 divided by un, so that equal to limit of n tends to infinity. So this divided by this, so it means I can write like this. So limit of n tends to infinity un plus 1 divided by un, so that equal to limit of n tends to infinity. So two terms are get cancelled into 2n plus 1 divided by this, simplify, we get only n plus 1 divided by 2n plus 3, right? So taking common n is taking common 1 plus 1 by n, divided by n is taking common 2 plus 3 by n, so get cancelled. So why taking n common? Because of if you apply directly limit form, it shows that infinity plus 1 is infinity, so again infinity, so it shows that it is infinity by infinity, so that's why it is integral form. So to avoid this problem by using L'Hospital rule or simplify like this, right? So then apply 1 by infinity is 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1, so 3 by infinity is 0, so 2 plus 0 is 2, so I think it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is less than 1, so therefore L is less than 1 by ratio test, so this series is convergent, right? Similarly, next examples, so write its nth term, so nth term, observe this, constant terms are there. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on up to nth term is n square into. So 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, so on. So 1, 2, 3 it means it is n. 2, 3, 4 it means n plus 1 whole square whole divided by 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial means it is n factorial. So it is un. So next un plus 1 that equal to n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 whole square divided by n plus 1 factorial, right? So factorial reduce ಮಾಡಿ up to n factorial because of, so cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so that equal to, so n is taking n square, n is taking common power multiply ಆಗುತ್ತೆ n square 1 plus 1 by n whole square, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ n common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ n square, so 1 plus 2 by n whole square, so apply n factorial. N factorial means n into n minus 1, n minus 2, so on. So it is n plus 1 into n factorial. So this is un plus 1. This divided by this ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, simplify ಮಾಡಿ. Further examples solve yourself. Thank you.